We want to create a communication space for passers-by and to establish the harmony between human and nature. So Ting is a musical installation which takes the form of a small path, active stepping stones that trigger music and light effects when people step on it. We want to create a soothing and relaxing effect, so we choose the nature sounds as the background, like birds, water flows, and we also have the triggering sound. Because we use the Chinese garden style, the best idea we can think about is to use guqin. So guqin is a traditional instrument in China, and the sound is soft, gentle, and full of imagination, and it creates a sense of silence that depends the environment.
Based on my landscape design background, I extracted the concept of steps, which is a very usual element in Chinese traditional garden design, to further create our project. The key related work is situational design concept. Simply, it means the space we create can affect the human's behaviors. We use situational design to guide users to change their behaviors because of the environment we create. We expected to achieve resonance between humans and nature.
We want the participants to stop and play with the installation to explore what they can do with it, because the music and visual effect can be triggered by standing on stepping stones. Ting allows people to recognize the space and allow people to actively participate in the environment. People stopping here to interact with installations and further enhancing the interaction between strangers.
The first step is to make a mini landscape to see the overall effect. This is a small model with tin rod and bamboo shadow curtains. It is mainly made of wood, paper cut, and transparent plastic board. Then we started to make real-size stepping stones. In order to reduce the workload, we decided to make 5 stones for the prototype demonstration. We used the wood as a material because it is durable and easy to cut. I used hot glue to stick a LED strip around each stone. In order to match with the length of the stones, I cut the LED strips and soldered them with jumper cables, so they fit around the stones perfectly. As the most important component, the soldering and protection of the pressure sensor are the part I need to pay extra attention. So I glued a protective fabric layers under the stone to protect the pressure sensor and also to prevent the stone from slipping. The bottom of each stone is grooved in order to place the wire while maintaining a flat bottom surface. The biggest problem in production is disconnections in wiring. From time to time, the connection between the male and female connector was not steady enough, and the soldered parts are weak. So I wrapped ties around the joints of all the cables to enhance the structure. The last thing is the messy wire, so I use the cable ties to regularize the messy wire.
Regarding functionalities, we wanted to capture the signals when users step on the stones, resulting in music and light feedback. On the Arduino side, we used pressure sensors as signal input and LED strips as a part of light effects. We built the central system in Unreal Engine 4 and used a plugin called UE for Arduino for the communication between Unreal and Arduino. In addition, I made a water material and ripple particle effect in Unreal to create the visual of running water.